Welcome back to our channel Siva Yoga Kendra. Friends, today we are going to upload 5 super yoga asana for super digestion. Let's begin the practice without wasting our time. First posture Uttanasana, feet together, hands by the side of your body. On inhale, rise your hands up. On exhale, bend down. Place your palms by the side of your feet. Tuck your chin. Here on inhale, extend your spine, sthiti. On exhale, further bend down. Bring your head close to your knees, but do not force. If you're able to do this classical one, or else we can do with modifications. Bend your knees gently, head close to your knees. Stay in this position. Breathe normally. This can be repeated minimum 6 times, maximum 10 times. If you have a back pain, do not force. On inhale, hands up over your head. On exhale, lower your hands down. Next posture, keep your legs apart. Comfortable distance, hands by the side of your body. On inhale, hands up to shoulders level, palms facing downward. On exhale, twist to any one side, extend your upper hand up, look at your palm. Maximum twisting, the classical one. Do not force at all. If you are beginners, we can keep your up hand behind the hip and bring your head close to the knee. Bend the knee. This is modifications. This posture also can be repeated 6 to 10 times and relax. Similarly, other side also. The next posture now, the lying down. Bring your hands up to shoulders level. Bring your legs together. Here inhale. On exhale, legs up. Inhale and exhale. Both legs towards your one side. Hold your feet with your hand. Turn your head other side. Breathe in and breathe out 4 times. Here 4 breath means inhalation and exhalation is called one breath. If you are unable to keep your legs straight, you can bend the knees and maintain the posture. This pose should be done similarly other side also. This is the third pose. The next one now, lying on the stomach, hold your ankles. On inhale, lift your knees up, thighs up, chest up, head up. On exhale, this can be repeated minimum 4 times, maximum 6 times. Then we can do the rocking up and down. This is also called the rocking boat. Inhale and up and down. Breathe normally about 6 to 10 times. Once up and down over. Turn your body one side, the right side and left side. Right side, left side. This can be done number of times. This is the classical one. If you're unable to do classical one, we also can do the modifications. Bending the one knee and holding with the hand. Keeping your one hand is straight forward, the leg is straight down. On inhale, lift your knee up, thigh up, chest up, head up. On exhale, down. Repeat this each side 4 times. Now for massages, extend your hands forward, join your palms, roll your body right side, left side. This is exactly like a Anga Pradakshan, what we do in temple during that parikrama. This will improve the digestion and give good massage to the body. The body pain will reduce. Now the next posture, Ardha Chandrasana. You can see in the picture. Lift your one hand up and take it outside of the bended knee. Hold your ankle. If you can lock the fingers. This is the classical one. Stay in this position, minimum 4 breath, maximum 6 breath. Every inhale and exhale, focusing in the breath and the practice. If you're unable to do classical one, we can do the modifications. Gently extend your legs forward, the modification. Bend your one knee, hold it with your hand and twist your body one side. Here, breathe in and breathe out 4 to 6 times. Once you complete, gently release your hand and extend your legs forward. On inhale, rise your hands up. Exhale, hands down. Repeat this pose 3 to 4 times to release the strain. Yes, my dear friends, we did 5 super yogic asanas for super digestion. Please do practice this on regular basis. Definitely your digestion system becomes stronger and better. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload our new videos. Once again, thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay blessed and enjoy your life.